Hello friend, today I will show you S223 S500 Airmatic compressor replacement. This compressor is used for air suspension, and in this car the problem was the suspension was not going up, it's completely down. So we tested and we found the compressor is faulty, it's not working properly. This is the compressor and here you can see these are the lines. So there are 4 lines for individual shock absorber and there are two, one for air intake, one for air out. So whenever you are replacing the airmatic compressor, you should also check the air filter blockage and dust particles. So all individual line for airmatic shock absorber is color coded, so you can see it's a green, blue, yellow and red. You can use 11 number, this is the open side wrench, then you can lose this nut, and after that you have to lose and remove one nut. This is a 10 mm nut. Now you have to remove this bracket if you are replacing the complete control unit.